Hi! Hello guys! Today, um, magre-review tayo sa RME. RME Reviewer, Journeyman. So, meron dito ng iba't ibang episode ba to? Chapter. Parang chapter siya. And then, test this Journeyman. 1. So, let's start our exam. Escape. Do you want to send optional data? No. Done. So, Journeyman Close Book Exam number 1 start. Blank can be generated. My answer will be electrical energy. Because energy can be generated. So, we have one correct. The phenomenon whereby a circuit stores electrical energy is called capacitance. Nag-i-store yan ng energy. A general term including material, fittings, devices, appliances, fixtures, apparatus, and the like used as a part of or in connection with an electrical installation is equipment. A switch intended for use in general distribution and a branch circuit. It is rated in amperes and it is capable of interrupting its rated current, and its rated voltage is a bypass isolation, isolating transfer. I guess it ano ba? General use. What is general? I think the answer will be general use. The answer will be B, general use. The permanent joining of metallic parts to form an electrically conductive path that will ensure electrical continuity and the capacity to conduct safely any current like to be imposed is known as bonding. Next, an instrument that is used to measure the diameter of wire cable to 1,000 of an inch is a ruler. Is not. Hydrometer is for water. And galvanometer. Ano ba yung galvanometer? Galvanometer. So, the galvanometer is used for detecting the presence of small current and voltage or for measuring their magnitude. So, ang answer dito is B, micrometer. A squirrel cage motor can be started at full voltage. What design should it be? Design A, B, C, and D. I guess all. Lahat ng design applicable for squirrel cage motor. A blank is a braking system for an electric motor. Friction braking, plugging, dynamic braking, everyone, like friction braking, plugging, and dynamic braking. A rigid metal conduit is permitted for wiring hazardous locations if the conduit is threaded and made up wench tight with at least 7 or 5. I guess 5. Yeah. It's 5 full threads. A circuit breaker that has purposely introduced into it a delay in the tripping action, in which delay decreases as the magnitude of the current increases, is is an inverse time circuit breaker. 11. It is the intent of this code that factory installed internal wiring or the construction of equipment need not to be inspected at the time of installation of the equipment except two. Mm, all, I guess all. So it is the intent of this code that the factory installed internal wiring or the construction of equipment need not to be inspected at the time of installation of equipment except two. Dapat hindi na daw um, ini-inspect yung detecting of damage and then detecting of insulation type. So, we must take note of that. So, a premises wiring system whose power is derived from a source, such as a transformer that has no direct connection to the supply conductor originating in another system, is an no direct connection. So, it cannot be isolated. It can be integrated or separately derived. I guess the answer is separately derived. So, it should be separately derived, not integrated. Kasi, pag integrated, meaning, what do you mean by integrated? Parang nagmi-mix. Dapat separately derived. Sorry. So, listed or labeled equipment shall be installed, used, or bought in accordance with any instruction included. Listing with the equipment from the manufacturer by the foreman. 2 and 3 only. So, listed or labeled equipment shall be installed, used, or bought in accordance with any instruction included in the listing or labeling or with the equipment from the manufacturer. Where conductors with an ampacity higher than the ampere rating or setting of the overcurrent device are used, the blank shall determine the circuit rating. So, answer would be overcurrent device. Mali ako. Okay, should be overcurrent device. Blank are permitted to protect motor branch circuit conductors from overload. 1. Thermal relay. 2. Inverse time circuit breakers. And 3. Time delay fuses. I guess all. The power factor of an incandescent light bulb would be unity. Blank is a pliable raceway. Answer is C. 1 and should be ENT only. Is a pliable raceway. Flexible cords and cables shall be protected by blank where passing through holes in covers, outlet boxes, or similar enclosures. 1 and 3. There's no 1 and 3. 1 and 2. I guess D. 1 and 2. A transformer would most likely have 90% efficiency. When alternating current